Ito papakita ko sa iyo yung mga brutal na mabilisang laro ni Mindoro at kilalanin natin sa dulo yung kalaban niyang undefeated. Okay ba yon o eto na yung mala Edwin Valero muling pagkabuhay? Top number 5. Ito na ata ang pinakamahinang version ni Weljon Mindoro. Gaano kahina? Panoorin natin.
I call that fight early stoppage too. So normally he does take punches pretty well, even from big puncher.
Chris, you and I were talking about this off-air. Mindoro kind of reminds us of Lester Martinez. Stocky, thick, not super versatile as football. He's built like a you-know-what house he can hit.
Yeah, a little more his start and stop, but he very very similar in terms of on you. He's looking to bang you, beat you up, and he landed a good
Bro, but this kid had overall 120 amateur fights at a good level in Brazil.
Fantastic time, December 7th. Don't miss it on ProBox TV.
in reach and amateur.